Monsoon's raining on your parade?
अरे टेंशन नहीं लेने का, अपुन है ना.
Keep watching for the ultimate monsoon survival guide. Monsoons are enchanting but completely unpredictable. So here is what's in my bag, but monsoon edition. A charged power bank, some snacks, a hand towel, a few band-aids, a Ziploc bag and some extra cash for when all digital fails. And just in case my umbrella doesn't do its job too well, I carry an extra t-shirt too. Monsoon showers can be really romantic, but realistically, they mean wet hair, sticky face, icky shoes. And we hate it as much as the next person. In fact, so much so that we have a shared hairdryer at work. Mine. No, it's mine. No, I won't. But in case you don't want to fight over a hairdryer at work, I'd suggest you invest in a microfiber hand towel to dry those drenched locks away. And for the excess moisture and grease, spritz some micellar water in your roots before drying it. And when it comes to skin, we can already read the future comments. Skin's getting too oily, rain is causing breakouts, skin feels like an oil well. Yes, we know because us too. And we have the solution. Dab a blotting sheet, or you can take a tissue paper, add a little bit of powder and dab it on the grease areas to soak in the excess oil. Hold up! This isn't an excuse for you to not wear sunscreen. Instead, go for a mattifying one that controls oil production and protects your skin. And when it comes to makeup, there are only 4 things you need this monsoon. A concealer to even out your skin, a lip tint that doubles up as blush since it won't budge even after a long rainy day, waterproof mascara, and finally, setting spray is your final seal to lock in all your makeup. And finally, for your OOTD, during the rains, opt for darker colors rather than lighter ones. To keep your feet safe and sound, wear rubber or PVC shoes that dry up quickly and are anti-slip. Monsoons are as beautiful as they are chaotic. So remember to stay safe and stay warm. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. Okay, cut. Hair dryer.